Comfort doesn't make an adventure. It's the discomfort and unexpected discoveries that define it. For a moment it looked like this mountain was going to be off limits and another secret would be kept. But today we climbed to 7,648 feet into the Kootenays, where rugged trail tests our resolve and raw untamed beauty leaves us breathless. This is a journey that few try to take, and the views up there, well, you have to earn them.
Here we go for today's
Adventure.
It's gonna be a good one.
This is gonna be a good one, guys. You know, not gonna want to miss this.
No, definitely not gonna want to miss this. I think the beginning is just regular FSR, dusty FSR. So
yeah.
We won't
record any of this.
Yeah.
Everybody's got their FSRs.
Exactly. So we'll catch you when we get to where we're gonna get.
They're doing work here.
Active work site.
Well, this might be an issue. They're doing road work up here now.
Oh.
It's an active work site, and there's a dump truck dumping dirt right up there.
I wonder if it's just this area or all along.
Pardon me?
Is it just this area or all the way through, I wonder?
The sign says active work site. Before entering, all persons must contact.
Okay, so today's destination may be a bust, courtesy of an active work site. So we have walked down to see, one, if we could find someone to talk to, and two, to see if it's still doable. But we don't know what's on the other side, what they're doing further up, or if we get up there and on our way back it's completely blocked off. So we're gonna wait for the truck to come back, get some information, and we will decide from there.
And like I said,
whenever he comes by.
If he comes,
yeah,
2 hours later.
Like,
guys.
yeah, how long do we want to give him?
But if that's, well, we'll wait for a bit, a half an hour.
Looks like, is that a rock? Looks like a snowball. Yeah, it is.
But like I said, I say if we can't make it up here, we find a nice campsite on the river. And
I pointed out a couple spots.
We have a chill day.
Lots of nice.
Which one do you prefer? The first one down?
The first one I'd say is nicer because it's just it's perfectly level. The whole thing, you don't have to try to level your vehicle. It's all level. And you just go down there and it's just right along the river. You just got a nice little bank about 10 feet down to the river.
We were just wondering if there's going to be access, or if you dig in a new culvert, or... Sorry? You are? No, we just showed up a little bit. We just saw the dump truck, and I'm like, well, I'll just wait and see. I didn't want to go on site until I saw somebody first.
Where are you guys going?
To the lookout. But if you're going to be all day, I don't want to go up.
Well, I won't be all day because there's another guy in here with forestry or the government.
Oh, okay.
But he said he's going out of here at 1 o'clock.
Okay.
That's why I knocked that aside. If you guys want to come through, I don't know. If I get out of the way here, I'll have to back up.
Okay. Well, I would really appreciate that.
We wouldn't get stuck, right? When we want to come back, we're going to be able to get out.
There's another guy.
As long as I don't break down.
So we can do it.
We can do it.
Yes.
Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You can hurry because I only got till 1 o'clock.
Yep. We're in our trucks.
Yay!
Where are you gonna go?
Yep.
Thank you. So that was sweet. He even moved the dirt aside for us.
Yeah. It's absolutely amazing.
That is, what a guy. Kootenay people, you guys rock. This is a pretty section, actually.
really nice.
And I'm so beyond excited that we were able to get through.
I think that was so cool.
It was so nice. Other than the dust, I should say this is a nice section. Bumpy like the start of Falcon Hill.
It's pretty close, actually.
Holy moly.
Just a little tight here.
They're soft anyways.
This is wicked.
It's awesome. That was such a fun time.
Starting to look sparse.
So much for that, right? There we go. Whoa.
Good job, Michelle!
Get up there. Oh, I see what you're saying, yeah.
Whoa.
We're here.
Woohoo!
I am going to turn around.
Oh, whoa! My goodness! That was fun.
They've done so much work to that lower half.
That's crazy. So it's all the way up there?
Yeah, if you walk over here, you can see the tower. If you look up there, you can see it.
That's far.
Like I said, it's about a kilometer.
I don't know, maybe we'll just send the drone.
And this is the kind of terrain you're hiking up. Like I said, it's a boulder field. The whole way.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It might be a drone one. This is gorgeous though.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see how the fire ripped through here and just left the tower alone.
That's weird.
Too much rock, it couldn't really burn up
Oh,
there.
yeah, that's fair. Yeah, we might just send the drone.
I told you, it's a good kilometer.
That's longer.
It's a Kootenay kilometer.
What are we doing? That's just
We're gonna send the drones. We ain't hiking that sucker.
No way.
But you get the view.
That is wicked, man.
Hey guys, thank you so much for sticking with us on this journey. Wow, that trail was amazing, so amazing. And this view is absolutely stunning. We had originally thought we were gonna hike up to the tower, but looking at it, no dice. We will send up the drone, see how close we can get and show you the tower, show you the views. Absolutely stunning. If you're here, please go down, hit that sub button, give us a like, drop us a comment. We really appreciate you watching. This is amazing, so amazing. I can't thank Matt enough for taking us here and showing us his hometown of the Kootenays. Sorry, I'm just flustered for words because this is so incredibly awesome and beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers. what a brilliant, wild trail
That was amazing. It was so much fun.
An epic final destination.
Yeah.
So much fun.
Considering we went from not thinking we were going to be able to do it, and then the backhoe operator clearing a trail for us, and then we got to do it. Amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Absolutely amazing.
I'm totally looking forward to getting back to the campsite. We're going to go find camp now.
Yep.
We're going to have some drinks, and we're going to have an epic cheeseburger.
Bacon cheeseburger.
Bacon cheeseburger. It's going to be the perfect ending to the perfect day.
Exactly. And we, of course, will check in with you when we get to camp.
See you guys.
Yeah. All right, so this is camp. It is a wreck site. There is one other vehicle here. No big deal. We have all found a spot. It is windy, which is nice. When we're sitting in the shade, that breeze is brilliant. But it's also creating dust storms, which is kind of not great. But we will get through it. What's a little dust? And we have access to the water. Actually looks really refreshing. I don't know if we're gonna pull out the showers again tonight or... So this is it. It's actually a cute little spot. Okay, so working on the plan for tomorrow. We originally thought we were going to go one way, but we're going to go a different way, right?
Brian found a more efficient way for...
More efficient way. We're going to go...
to get back.
We're going to do Buchanan first at Castle. And then Sandon on the way to New Denver. And then after that, up in here.
Okay.
Somewhere.
And then our lovely friends at Backroad Journals are going to take off.
To Quesnel.
To Quesnel.
To visit their
That'll
friends
be
and
a
family.
more efficient route for them.
More efficient.
Less backtracking.
So we have a plan. And Holger missed it. All right, so we are barbecuing some bacon, which will go on our bacon cheeseburgers.
Yep.
It's going to be so good. I'm so excited for this.
Tonight's burgers are going to be really good. It's going to be an awesome end to an amazing day. Today was
amazing.
I'm probably going to have to put a bleep. I just got bit by something. Today was a bleeping amazing day.
It was.
It was nice to see our friends
go outside their comfort zone.
Yeah, and do some amazing shit.
And feel accomplished.
Yeah, they felt totally accomplished. And for us, that felt so good. And I bring each other up, right?
Yeah.
Like, that's kind of our thing.
Exactly.
And it was an amazing day with amazing friends. And now we're going to have amazing food. So
we're going to have, bacon.
That's it.
Bacon cheeseburgers and some salad.
That's it. We have not done any dramatic filming or anything else. It's just been spending time with our friends, and I freaking love it.
Absolutely.
Love it. All right, cheese is added. Joanne's doing a mixture of matzo and marble. I'm doing matzo and
process.
That's what I do. These are adventure burgers. Boom. Boom. Oh, yours ended up upside down. Oh, we lost a piece of bacon. That's going back in. On top this time.
Looks amazing.
Yeah.
Let's go sit and eat.
Hey guys, what an amazing adventure today was. It's beyond what we thought it would be. Our friends followed us up to 7,000. What was the final tally actually?
7,200 and
Something feet.
something feet.
Yeah, but it was cool. So then we came back in the valley. We're by a river. You can hear that. And we're just doing camp for the night because we're heading off to another fire tower next week.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's been amazing. And as always, we appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for joining us. Yeah, you're not going to want to miss this adventure we're on at all.
And come back next week and see what we got going on.
All right, guys. We'll see you later.
Thanks for watching.
Take care.